Hello, in this video you'll learn how to make a glow effect in Photoshop. Open your image and duplicate the layer right away. Then in the Properties tab we find Remove Background. Let's click on it. After successful removal, double-click on the layer to open the layer settings. Find Overlay Color and add white color. For now, we'll leave this layer. To best apply the effect, we need to remove this person from the background. To do this, on the already familiar Properties tab, we click Select Subject. As we can see, some parts were not selected automatically. To fix this, we need to click Select, Modify, Expand. I'm setting the value to 70 pixels for this image. Now select the rectangular marquee tool, then right-click on the image and select Delete and Fill Selection. Our background is ready and we enable the subject layer again. Next, we need to create 3 copies of the layer. To keep things organized, I'll call them 60, 40 and 20. Starting with layer 60, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and set the blur to 60. Apply the same blur to layer 40 with a value of 40 and to layer 20 with a value of 20. If you want a more subtle transition so that these lines are not so noticeable, you can change the layer opacity. And also add another blur, setting the value between 5 and 10. This is the effect we got. I'll finish it off with my custom gradient. Go to the Adjustments panel and choose Gradient. If you want to support my channel, you can buy the full pack of 30 custom gradients. The link to purchase is in the description. I'll pick this preset and adjust it a little. That's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.